Boss Megutimu Wayane, peace return, Northern Uganda. It's our prayer. Dialogue in Juba. Bear fruits. It's our prayers. Loko berutiekin coin. Museveni, Uchwalo Wangi, and then the peace reign in Northern Uganda. The biggest problem, the biggest gain, the biggest thing that we are protecting, like ACHOLI, we are protecting the peace that we have got and stability. Right now, we are very peaceful. We're being a calm, gang, you are peaceful in your land. Thank you, colleagues. I'm called Gino the champion, Gino or team from Northern Uganda, Golo in particular. I'm here today to open people's eyes. I'm an ACHOLI by tribe. I come from Agago district, but I'm based in Gulu City. I support NRM. Wana ACHOLI wo beri liwany, pi muaki mapuna ta. Ka inde bera ACHOLI ma willo yot ket ma ke konyi kede. No yina ACHOLI ko. Wana ACHOLI, I did not been Juba talk. My president Museveni and the NRM party, Uchiru logo ke LRA, Machalo Joseph Kongi. Dialogue berutie. Boss Megutimu Wayane, peace return, Northern Uganda. So one Machala ACHOLI, we have one game, one strongest game that we should protect is peace and security. Because we know where we came from. We're being a calm, we're being we are very peaceful. Actually, let's not forget the peace and security. The main theme is protecting the gain. The gain that the NRM party has got it now. It is our right and responsibility to protect it now. Today, I want to talk about one gain that we Northerners should protect it very well. One gain that we Northerners, kainen we tika willo, weka kunya po we, machala nyuali me Uganda, mabedu in Northern Uganda, whether it being Pade, Agago, Gulu, Amoro, Lamour, Noya, Amira po we. NRM government, unomiera chuli kumako chingini quick kuman. Pingo. Ana tiki reason mo hawaje kumenu. Machalo Gino the champion. Alego ni kakana ACHOLI. Pe wiwa wilo kama wanwa haki ye. Pe wiwa wilo kama wati ye. Kidong kama wa mirchir ye. Right now, you can move from Northern Uganda up to the border without being disturbed. That is a good peace that we have in our country. And it is brought by the NRM government. John Chan, yiniron word kumeno. Iyo no ki yeli ene o Gulu City ka no ki yeli makonye peche. There is peace in this country. Go to other countries and witness what I'm saying. A one strong sign that shows that a country is peaceful. Refugees. Refugees are in Uganda. There are very many from Kenya, from Sudan. One strong point that shows that there is peace and security in this country are the refugees from Kenya, from South Sudan, and from the upper Sudan of Khartoum. There are very many Somalians are here. There are very many Somalis, I mean. Now, peace is in Uganda. If you want to witness that there is peace in a country, Look, we have Kiriandongo refugee settlement in Vayale. We have Paluda in Lamore. We have Acholpi in Agago. And Kawunumero with nesting ba. Need there is peace in Uganda. Go and ask the refugees. They will be a strong witness of the president. They will be of the NRM party. Dinkas, South Sudanese are very free in Uganda. Right now, if you move everywhere in Uganda, you'll get Dinkas. You get South Sudanese. You will get Kenyans. You get Somalis. You get Egyptian. You get these Wahindis. There are very many. Those are the live witness of NRM party. And no one is disturbing them. They can move from northern Uganda. That is the gain that we are protecting. We are protecting the gain of being peaceful in our country. There's no insecurity in Uganda. Ugandan security forces are the most disciplined in East Africa. I need to tell you this. It is we, the civilian party democracy in Uganda, where individual, you are responsible to vote for who you think can manage a position in Uganda. President, MP, LC5, up to LC1s. There's democracy. And democracy cannot happen in a country which is not peaceful like Uganda. Mark me very well. All these opposition that are doing their campaigns, had it been there was no security in Uganda, you would not walk, you would not participate in your rally peacefully the way you are doing. I want to highlight one thing. The government and the forces of Uganda, say maybe the UPDF, the police, these people line how people should go for their rallies. President will move like this. You wear Kagota Museveni will move like this. Come and do his rally here. Robert Chagulanyi will move like this and do your rally here. The biggest problem we have got is that these opposition candidates, they don't want to follow the roads that are being guided by the forces. If they say move from here, move from here, move from here, these people want to penetrate even where they'll put broad blocks. And that is where chaos will come. You see the police pulling ropes with the noob. It is not because the police doesn't want them to follow where they're going, but their directive, even if the president Museveni is moving, going somewhere, they direct you that you are going to move like this, because we don't want you people to destroy the peace of people in a certain district that you're holding your rally in. That one is also peace and security. For people to be safe, we know that when people gather in an area, very many people, there will be a lot of chaos. There will be a lot of looting things. You never know who will come to do what. You don't know. So opposition electing good leaders. Actually, we love. Ki konyo wuke peho mo ma dit mo. Me vurilum. Ibini very calm. Ki kwenye ke calm. She don't ke waje ni they be peaceful in Uganda. Now, you know, it's being why I'm opposition. I'm opposition. Opposition for what? You want to go back? What? That is stupidity of the highest order. Make up your mind. Vote for people that will help you. The minor problems that we are having in ACHOLI districts, we need to elect capable MPs, capable LC5 and LC3, but not changing the president. M7 up. Museveni malo. M7 up. Gino the champion. Gino the champion said so. Thank you.